Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to BC and equal to 20. AC is equal to 5. AD is the bisector of angle BAC. We need to solve for AD. By the angle bisector theorem, the angle bisector of a triangle divides the opposite side into two segments that are proportional to the other two sides of the triangle. AB over BD is equal to AC over CD. If you are not familiar with this formula, please check my video with the proof of this formula in the description below. Let's sub in the values. Since BC is equal to 20, CD is equal to 20 minus BD. Let's solve for BD. BD is equal to 16. Since CD is equal to 20 minus BD, CD is equal to 4. Now we can use the following formula for the angle bisector in a triangle. I have a video with the proof of this formula and I will leave it in the description below. AD squared is equal to the product of AB and AC minus the product of BD and CD. Let's sub in the values. AD is equal to 6. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.